This is a fine motor activity called Hide the Animals, and it incorporates fine motor skills by gripping the measuring cups and also transferring skills, transferring the rice into other parts of the bin. So this is a very good sensory play, fine motor skills, and transferring activity that you can do with your toddlers. Easton is only almost 16 months, and he's definitely loving this explorative activity. This fine motor sensory game is the Muffin Tin Animal Rescue activity, where your toddler can try to rescue the animals from the muffin bin. And it's not only a great fine motor activity for your young ones, it's also a great sensory activity, since the stickiness and tackiness of the tape can actually provide tactile sensory stimulation, which is great if they haven't been exposed to these type of textures yet. Good job, bud. You're rescuing the animals. This is the fine motor animal tracks activity, where the animal figurines can make imprints into the Play-Doh. So this is a great fine motor and sensory activity. And you can talk about how many feet each animal has, like 4, or some animals that walk on 2 feet. So very neat. This is the zoo rescue game, where there's zoo animals and your toddler can try to get each animal figurine out of the Ziploc bags. This is using fine motor skills, which is very crucial for this age. And it's also a sensory activity, since it's tactile. What do you think, Easton? Are you having fun rescuing those zoo animals? Wow. You can also talk about the names of animals during this activity. You can compare the animals. Yeah. These are just the snack size Ziploc bags that I'm using for this, since it's the perfect size for these smaller animal figurines. Good job, buddy. He's safe too so far. All right. So using those pincher fingers to try to separate the sides of the bag, that's using those fine motor skills like I mentioned. Yep, safe to say I think this has been a hit. It's his first time doing this, and I think it will keep him busy for quite a while. Easton is almost 16 months, and this is age appropriate for probably 1 to 3-year-olds, I would say. All right, bye-bye. Good job, Easton. You're saving so many zoo animals. This is the Feed the Dinosaur fine motor activity using the animal figurines. Easton, are you gonna feed the dinosaur? He's upside down. All right, put it in his mouth. He got a few in there, but now he wants to empty the dinosaur. Either way, it's still good for their fine motor skills and letting them experience new activities in order to improve their fine motor skills. Even peeling the paper off seems to be the interest now that he's done filling the dinosaur's belly. All right. Oh no, it's okay. Still using that pincher fingers and fine motor movements. Good job, buddy.